good afternoon and welcome to GATV. My name is Lanyan Christopher and we are here at Temagwechele Sankola stop to solicit ideas from the drivers and then the station masters to see how far with business after protocols have been given for us to observe in this COVID-19 period. So this is GATV and we have one of the station masters here to speak to find out how things have been with them, how they are making their marketing to go on with their passengers, and then as to whether the passengers and police in town are cooperating with each other on wearing their face masks. What's your welcome? Alright, my name is Christopher and I'm from GATV. We are here to find out as to how you people are coping with your passengers, how business is going after this pandemic has hit the country, and as to whether the passengers and the police and you yourself drivers are coping well with wearing face masks.
That one, the face mask they wear am, because if you know where I am, they will drop you for road. The police no go allow. Where to be two they will carry. If you carry three, they will worry you. They catch you, they no go leave you. So they know they allow that one. Police say now, because of the sickness, let the people know they join car. So let everything change. Maybe like the first. Let me see. But we dey pray God. If God come out the sickness, everybody shall be free.
So you guys talked about we are taking two passengers now.
Yeah.
So like how does that affect your business? Because formerly your car you need
Before 3 city 50 pesos. One seat 3 people. How much we got? 10 city 50 pesos. Because of that now 2 they carry 2. So before 4 city. So make 8 city. So the driver self lose. So sometimes you let the lorry first passenger plus driver let they fight. Because Jansi first will be 2 city. But now the driver they say 2 city 50 pesos. The passenger 2 city will go allow.
So in that case, has the fuel prices to come down?
Yes, if you say the fuel, the drivers they complain they reduce some but not understand. They reduce some but not
Alright. Boss, thank you very much for coming through for this. So people out there, this is the ideas we are getting from some of the people out there that you want to hear from. The fuel prices are not being cut down. But face mask wearing in town is compulsory for everybody to wear face masks out there. Because according to them and some of the passengers, if you don't wear face masks, the police are forced to drop you from the car and then you have to go wherever you are going. My name is Lanyan Christopher and you are live on GATV. Stay tuned for the rest of our programs.